steep start.
Hey guys, I headed out for another hike this weekend, and this one was pretty close to Shaver Lake. So if you're heading into Shaver Lake, just before you get there on 168, turn right on Dinkey Creek Road and drive up that road for 7.8 miles, and on the left you'll see the sign that was in the beginning of this video. The actual trailhead is a little bit difficult to find. It's probably 30 or 40 yards northeast of the sign. I'd even stopped there one time years ago, and I looked for the trailhead, but I couldn't find it. I'd heard rumors of a trail in this area, but I could never find it until now. So the trailhead is there. Just kind of go to the north of the sign, about 30 or 40 yards, and then head to the east slightly, and you'll find it. I just didn't find it the first time I was there. With this trail being so close to Shaver, this would be a good little training hike if you just wanted to get out and get a little exercise. The first mile climbs 839 feet according to the GPS file. So it's difficult at the beginning, especially kind of being out of shape, but it'll get your heart going. We got started late in the day, so we didn't make it all the way to Bald Mountain. We made it probably halfway. And at that point, we found a nice granite peak that we climbed up on and had some really amazing views. And that was well worth it.
All these years and didn't know this was here. Driving by it. Yeah, you can almost see the car. I bet from that rock right there, we could see the car. It is smoky. There are cabins over there. That's before Rock Creek Road. There's a community of cabins over there on the right side.
So like
the Dinkey Creek Road.
Dinkey Creek drainage right through there, huh?
Yes. We are really close to Rock Creek Road, just on the other side of this drop. People have way too much time while out on the trail.
This is like the people who came up and said, this is as far as I want to hike.
So they stacked rocks all day. Like that comes straight up there.
In the description below, I'll drop 2 links in there. Both links will have information on the trail, directions, a description, as well as a GPS file you can download to your phone. At this point, we went off trail to the west a bit. We were going to go around the west side of this peak and kind of explore and then get up on the top of it. But you can get up on the top of it if you kind of stick to the trail, and you'll see it, and you can just kind of cross country up to the top of it.
Heck yeah! This is way better than the Jeep trail.
That's what I didn't want to do.
Yeah, I'm not too keen on the Jeep trail. I'm sure we can go up in between these two. Make sure I don't have any ticks on me. See if I can. Oh. Whoa. Think that way? Be safest, huh? Gonna have to be. That's pretty cool looking over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's head. Smoke is pretty bad up here. Yeah, it is.
There's not much pull from that rock.
No. Wow, look at that.
Well, yeah, they figured it out because they had left their camera.
If it wasn't so smoky, the sun going down would be awesome.
Oh, yeah.
It's always really good from up here. There's good light. Well, how are you going to get over there? Okay, see if we can get up here. Oh, I fell. Oh. Wow. It's going to be tricky coming back down.
Especially one hand. Shadow will run that rock.
Yeah. That is crazy. I'm already scared. That rock is crazy. That's even a better picture right there. That is beautiful. I remember coming up this.
Well guys, if you're still here, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching.